Hello everyone, I'm Zhitao. Today we are going to put GPT behind the wheels. First, we will let it follow a leader vehicle. As simple as that. GPT has been working very hard recently in coding and also helping us reading documents, chatting with us, etc. So it's time to really let it relax. Do something different. What we are seeing here is driving simulation environment. You will see a simulated vehicle called a GPT driver with the name on top of its roof. And myself, today, I will be driving the vehicle in front of it. The idea is very simple. The goal is also very simple. It's just to test the feasibility of GPT driving to just simply follow the leader vehicle. Stop, go, something like that. And we do not want to judge how it drives. Just as simple as if it can move, it's a win. Basically, we will be sending the GPT vehicle's status along with the leader vehicle's status, such as velocities, speed headway, time headway, to GPT for acceleration calculations. It's a simple but useful concept, similar to car fluid models that we have been learning to drive with. Just follow the leader, as simple as that. In order to do this kind of simulation and also use GPT to actually make decisions, we have linked this simulation environment to Metita. Metita is a platform I created for knowledge base and document retrieval as a hobby with GPT enabled. Since it's a GPT is a chapel, so if we should be able to ask questions just like chatting to it, and also test if it's clicked or not. So in order to do this, we will need. In order to do this, how about we just ask for weather and use voice to text and text to speech, so that we can do this successfully. If you want to know more about Metita, please follow my LinkedIn article. So let's go. Hello, Metita.
Hello, Jadao. How can I help?
How is the weather tomorrow? You
I
should
am
be
searching.
able to detect my
Please
location
wait for a second.
as a general suburb or something.
According to the Bureau of Meteorology, BOM, forecast for Sydney, tomorrow's weather is expected to be sunny with a maximum temperature of 25 degrees Celsius.
Just like today.
The forecast
Great.
also mentions that it will be light northeasterly winds of 15 to 25 kilometers per hour, becoming light in the early afternoon. The chance of any rain is low, around 5%.
Great. We have known the most important information in the universe. Let's drive. But I have to warn you, due to the OpenAI limitations, maybe you know, that we can only send about 90,000 tokens per minute, which of course isn't enough for real-time driving decisions. In this experiment, we can only ask for acceleration decisions 8 times per second, so which can cause a little bit of lag, but that should be okay, because what we want to do is just to test if the GPT driver can be used to driving. So I'm now starting. We will see that if the GPT driver can generate acceleration based on the current status. Okay, it's moving, which is great. We will have a bigger headway and see that if the GPT driver is trying to chase us. Okay, that's great, because it thinks it's safe to do so. So let's go again, and also maybe stop. Yep, it stopped. Let's go again, and you can see the desired acceleration is 0. So which means it actually understands it's going to collide, which is great. Okay, so great. This experiment shows the amazing reasoning capability of GPT, even in a driving environment. And it's a potential to be adopted somewhere else, not just chatting, not just document retrieval. And we can also give GPT some fun for its life, driving to a far place, car driving, of course, with or without kids. You know what I'm saying. Thank you for watching. I'm Zhitao. I'll be back soon to perfect this project. The decision-making backend will be open sourced as VivoCity, enabling us to explore cloud-native traffic and driving simulations with the support of large language models and also some other generative AI transformer models, and also some classic scaffolding or lane changing behavior models for real-time applications. And since driving is also time critical, for my curiosity, for my interest, I also want to test how quickly those fancy models or fancy algorithms can help decision making in real time. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.